Bowling speed. Can science measure the awesomeness of Kapil Dev's bowling? Well, the bowling speed can be measured. How? When radio waves hit an object, such as a ball, they bounce back. But their frequency changes as the ball moves away from the observer. This change of frequency occurs as the source and observer of a wave move closer or away from each other. Ever noticed how the pitch of a siren changes as the car moves by? This principle is the Doppler effect. It's used to measure the velocity of a moving object like a ball. A radar gun, which has a radio wave transmitter and receiver, is used. Here, you can measure your bowling speed in miles per hour or kilometers per hour and compare the speed with pacer Bhuvaneshwar Kumar or Umesh Yadav. Fascinating, isn't it?